Hello guys, this is Emily. Today I got a new item for you. It's Floodlight. This Floodlight have new shape. Looks like a camera, which is very interesting. See, and the whole package include one piece Floodlight, one piece gift box, and also one piece charger, and the 3-piece rechargeable 18650 batteries. Now let me show you the detail. Over this floodlight, the lid shape is CREE XML T6, and here have a handle, so it's convenient for us to take this floodlight. This is the switch button, and this is DC charge port, so we can charge this floodlight like this. Oh, and for this charger, like usual, we got the other kind of charger plug. This is US plug and EU plug, also UK plug and AU plug. And this floodlight, this is a battery case. We can open this case and put this put 3-piece battery inside, or you can take the battery out. This floodlight can adjust angle. And if you want to this floodlight fixed in any position you want, just screw it here. Now it's very tight. The most feature for this floodlight, this is a Zoomable. Here you can see the lid shape. I think it's very amazing design. Okay, now let me show you the mode for this floodlight. It have 3 modes. Now I will turn off the light. Now I will open the floodlight for the first mode. It's the high mode. You see it's very bright, and the circle is huge. This is the second mode, and the third mode is a strobe. Okay, first, second, third, and because this floodlight can have zoomable function, so this is zoom out, then zoom in. Actually, this floodlight have 10 watts and 1650 lumens, so it's really bright. I think this is a good a great product for our life. Thank you for watching.
Mm.